Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Crafts. In today's video, we are going to see how you can create a cute little low poly paper craft with leftover paper. So the first thing that you are going to need is a template. This is a template that I have designed in Blender, and if you guys want to have a tutorial on the same, or if you guys want to purchase this template, please feel free to contact me. As you can see that I have a lot of leftover paper from the different craft paper sheets, and we will be using these leftover paper sheets in this craft paper so that we can utilize them. To start with, stick your template at 4 corners on your leftover craft paper pieces. As you can see that these pieces are not of A4 size, so you'll need to do this activity with different leftover pieces multiple times. Next, you need to cut out the individual parts using a sharp paper cutting knife, and I'm using the OLFA paper cutting knife for this tutorial. Carefully cut out your template part along the solid lines. Do not cut along the dotted lines. Dotted lines are for folding, and once we have cut out the piece, we'll use them for creating creases in the cutout part. Now comes the step of creating creases, or it is also known as scoring the paper. So taking reference from the cutout part from the template, I'll be creating these creases with the help of a metallic pencil. You can also use other blunt object like a butter knife. Once you're done creating the creases, transfer the edge numbers onto your cutout template part. You will need these later as a reference when you're joining the pieces together. Now it's time to fold the piece. If it's a dashed and dotted line, you fold it outwards, also called as a mountain fold. If it's a normal dashed line, you fold it inwards, also called as a valley fold. So using your template as a reference, fold your cutout parts along the creases that you have created earlier and create the mountain and the valley folds. Prep all the template parts in a similar fashion so that you are ready for assembling. To join the pieces together, we'll be using Fevicol as an adhesive. To apply this Fevicol onto the template parts, we are going to use this toothpick so that we can apply thin even layer of Fevicol. Pick up piece number 1 and 2, as all the parts on the template are numbered in a sequence in which they need to be attached. So pick up the first and second template parts and find the common edge in both the parts, and we'll start joining the pieces together. If you are using a thick craft paper, then in that case you might need to hold it for some time for the adhesive to take effect. All you need to do is to keep following the part sequence on the template and sticking the edge and the flap with the same numbers together. Also, one of the best things about this particular low poly template is that since you are making it with leftover craft paper, you can get as many color combinations as you want. You can choose your own colors, you can choose your own size for the low poly template and create a whole lot of fishes to decorate your wall. here we are after finishing this template. The fish has come out really cute and colorful. Also, since this model has a flat back, you can stick it on the wall as a decoration. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys liked this video, then please do not forget to like and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel for regular video tutorials on paper arts and other form of arts. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.